Hi friends, I'm Tyagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see print alternative bank details in invoice. Before going to this session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel to get more future updates. Print multiple bank details in invoice. Default features and function we are going to see. Second one, the print alternative bank details in invoice customized model. Finally, key points. Let's see default features in Tally ERP9 practically. From the Gateway of Tally screen, click on Account Info, Ledger. We are already created two bank account ledger. In the IDBI bank account, we are already defined bank account details. Similarly, we have created one more bank account, Bank of India. Here also we are updated bank account details. If you want to free define bank details in printing configuration, from the Gateway of Tally screen itself, we can click on F12 configure. There is an option called printing. Once get into the printing, there is an option, one more option, sales transaction. In the sales transaction, we need to select sales invoice. In this printing invoice configuration, we can able to define that particular bank ledger, which ledger you want to disclose in that tax invoice. In case if you are using multiple bank details for different transaction, those cases you need to select default and save this configuration. If you want to predefine bank details for different transaction, in the voucher type alteration or creation screen, we need to define bank details for transactions. Let's see how to define bank details in voucher type. From the Gateway of Tally screen, voucher type, get into alter. We are already created two different type of sales voucher. In that particular one, sale of product, here we are going to predefine that bank name. During the print, we are going to select Bank of India. Similarly, the one more transaction type is the sale of services. There we are going to select bank details IDBI bank account. After saving this, now we are going to see that particular sales bill. Here sale of services we are selected. If we go into print, let's click on enter, and in the print preview, if we scroll down, we can able to see in the sale of service bill it's disclosed IDBI bank details. Similarly, when you are going to change that transaction type sale of product, we are going to print again by pressing Alt P. In that print preview, if you scroll down, you can able to see here Bank of India bank details disclosed. In default Tally application, there is no option for selecting multiple bank details in invoice printout. In this customization module, you can able to select multiple bank account, means you can able to select alternative bank details in the printout. Printing screen, if you click on F12 configure, if you enable bank details, here there is an option bank 1 and bank 2. So which bank you want to define the primary and secondary alternative bank details also you can define in that bank form 2. If you want to disclose any one bank details, you can define it one particular bank, other one make it not applicable. Once click on enter, in the print screen, if you zoom it, if you scroll down, you can able to see there is a primary bank account details there. Similarly, one more bank account also disclose here alternative bank details. So whichever the bank detail they want to transfer amount, they can select as per their customer wish. This module will support only the default invoice printing format. Same module it will support for simple format also. In the printing configuration, if print simple format, make it yes and save the screen, you can able to see in the simple format it's displaying the primary bank account and alternative bank account detail. Now let's see the configuration of this module. If you open this file folder, in the address bar, click on slash and select that file path along with the file name and copy that file path. Open Tally application Currently we are using Tally ERP in release 6.6.3 latest release. From the Gateway of Tally screen, click on F12 Configure. Next click on Product and Features. Now you can able to see the right hand side there is an option called Manage Local TDL. Click on F4 or click on Manage TDL. Local TDL startup, make it yes. Now here you need to paste that path by pressing Ctrl Alt V. Now once accept the screen, now the TDL module is ready to use. Now let's see the key points to be remembered. Predefining bank details in invoice print configure, you can use it by enabling F12 configure itself. From the Gateway of Tally screen, you can define it particular bank details, which bank you want to disclose in the printout. The predefining bank details in voucher type means transaction type wise you want to define different bank details. The voucher type creation or alteration screen we can able to define it. If you want to print alternative bank details in invoice copy means this model will very much useful for you. You can't able to get this features by default application. By using customization module you can able to enable and use it. This customization module will support only default invoice format. Customized invoice format it won't support. Finally, this model you can able to use it for your personal or business transaction purpose free of cost. We are sharing this model download link in the description box. I hope we have shared some valuable information to you. It may be useful for your business, and please share with your friends or your business network. Kindly subscribe our channel and click on notification bell for more future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.